In this video, I'm going to teach you how to replace toner cartridge on Brother HLL2390 DWC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily replace the toner cartridge on various different models of Brother machines. So all that you have to do to change this specific model's toner cartridge is to make sure that the machine is turned on and open the front cover. So pull on the front cover until you can see inside, and now you will be able to remove the toner cartridge and drum unit assembly from the machine. Push down the green lock lever and take the toner cartridge out of the drum unit. Unpack the new toner cartridge that you have ready, and now remove the protection cover. With this done, push the new toner cartridge firmly into the drum unit until you hear it lock into place. Make sure that you put the toner cartridge in correctly, or it may separate from the drum unit, so make sure that it is well positioned. Now, clean the corona wire inside the drum by gently sliding the green tab from left to right and right to left several times. Be sure to remove the tab to the home position. Use the arrow to guide you, so the arrow on the tab must align with the arrow on the drum unit. Once this is done, you will be able to install the toner cartridge and drum assembly unit back into the machine. With this done, you can close the front cover of the machine and you will be good to go. After replacing a toner cartridge, do not turn off the machine or open the front cover until the machine's display returns to the ready mode. The toner cartridge that comes with your Brother machine is a starter toner cartridge. It is a good idea to keep a new toner cartridge ready for when you see the toner low warning. And to ensure high quality printing, they recommend using only genuine Brother brand toner cartridges. I hope I was able to help you on how to replace toner cartridge Brother HLL2390 DWC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.